How to fix EAFC24 DirectX error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix EAFC24 direct error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your control panel. After you open up your control panel, simply head over to an option that says Device Manager. Tap on Device Manager, and after you find Device Manager, what you'll need to do is you'll need to update the drivers for your screen or your displays. So there you should find an option called Display Adapters. You can just expand on that and open that up. Head over to Driver and then tap on Update Driver. Now you can browse for drivers on your computer, or you can just select one from the list in your device. So simply select a device and update it. After you do that, your problem should get fixed, but if that does not get fixed, you can simply open up your EAFC24 and then make sure that you do not change the FPS and your graphics settings. Make sure that they stay on default. After changing that, you can restart your device and then your error will be gone. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.